take flight like a bird in the night. Places bizarre and exciting.
It's good to do some exercise. Yeah. Ha. 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 Yeah.
Oh, I found it.
Hey, let's go.
Finally, my precious new toy. I'm so fantastic.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Dude, you plant flowers? I'm so proud of this. I've got tomatoes, watermelon, and a peach tree with peach blossoms to attract bees. And where do the bees come from, you might ask? May I present to you the beehive?
Dude, you got everything.
Well, I can't believe it's as nice as my favorite florist. Ah! Ew! A worm! Are you okay? Oh, look at me. I'm a mess.
Oh no! You look as fresh as the produce in the organic market.
Just a teeny weeny earthworm. Won't hurt anyone.
Unlike me.
Beware, for it is
Belton? Sour?
Oh, good gravy boats, you two idiots can't even get a simple entrance right.
Belton sour notes.
Good gravy boats?
Finally, I have you brats exactly where I want you. My men grabbed this from Bird's house mere minutes ago. Do you know what it is?
Bird's TV remote?
No, it's his shrinking beam blaster.
Bird designed that to cut bullies down to size, like you.
Well, won't he be surprised when I use it to shrink him into something I can squeeze into a thimble?
You wouldn't dare do that to Bird.
Not just yet. First, I'm going to test its power on you array of annoying adolescents.
Really into the alliteration thing, huh?
Run!
Away you go. Away you shrink. Caught in the mud with a bad stink. Through the power of evil and my brilliant scheme, you'll be gone in a blink.
Huh? Huh?
Not again! Oh, you fools! How does it feel being the size of a button?
Better than being a big pile of junk like you.
You're a smart girl. Help me defeat Bird, or I'll leave you pipsqueak-sized forever.
Never. Not even if you shrink me to the size of a grain of sand.
Good idea. I'll make you so small even your friends won't be able to see you. Don't say I didn't give you a chance. You can run, but you can't hide.
Really?
How did the trees become so huge?
It's not the trees, it's us. We got shrunk.
there you hurt, Buff.
Oh, look at me. I'm a mess. What? What is the shrinking device? It's because of you kids. Troublemaker? Base, I want revenge. Immediately.
Yes, sir.
Yes, boss.
What's that sound?
It's a giant snake! Monster! It's the earthworm!
It's harmless to humans, isn't it?
That only works when we're bigger than a raisin. Ah! Run! Look out! It's coming this way! Keep running! Oh, what is this place? I think we're inside a giant peach blossom. We're safe. Thanks to this lovely flower. Huh?